Welcome to the ultimate showdown between two powerful vacuum cleaner brands. In the blue corner, we have the Dyson Ball Animal 3, a bagless upright vacuum with a 5-stage filtration system designed to trap allergens like pet hair. And in the red corner, we have the Kirby Avalir 2, an incredibly versatile upright vacuum known for its excellent airflow to clean stubborn carpet dust. But it comes with a hefty price tag. Stay tuned as we compare these top vacuums on various crucial factors like suction, multi-surface cleaning efficiency, and ease of maintenance to find the best vacuum for your money. As always, you'll find links to exclusive discounts in the description below. Round 1, Suction. When it comes to suction, both vacuums are impressive. The Kirby Avalir 2 is incredibly powerful. At the floor head, 132 cubic feet per minute of airflow. For comparison, the Dyson Ball Animal 3, one of Dyson's best models, has only 84 CFM. This means the Kirby Avalir 2 has almost double the airflow of Dyson's Animal 3. Kirby's strong motor and stiff bristled wooden roller lift deep carpet debris, which its powerful airflow then sucks up. This makes it great for deep cleaning carpets. This makes the Kirby Avalir 2 the clear winner in the suction category, as its higher CFM ensures better dust and debris pickup. Round 2, Multi-surface cleaning efficiency. The Dyson Ball Animal 3 is great for pet hair. It works well on both bare floors and carpets. Its floor head has anti-tangle vanes that help keep hair from getting stuck, and the brush roll can be removed for easy cleaning. It also includes a pet grooming tool for removing loose fur and dead skin. The vacuum's 5-stage filtration system effectively traps fine allergens like pet dander. Unlike most upright vacuums, its bristled brush roll doesn't scatter larger debris on hard floors. Instead, it helps by directing both fine debris like sand and larger debris like cereal towards the suction inlet. However, it is quite loud, which might scare noise-sensitive pets. Besides, its bulky head makes it difficult to read wall corners and edges. The Dyson Ball Animal 3 excels on different surfaces with its 3 dedicated floor settings, allowing seamless transitions between carpets, hardwood, and tile floors. The Kirby Avalir 2, on the other hand, is a powerhouse on carpets, thanks to its strong airflow and deep cleaning capabilities. However, its performance on hardwood and tile floors is not as impressive as the Dyson. While it does well with pet hair, it tends to get tangled more often. Also, if your home has an equal mix of carpet and hardwood flooring, switching back and forth from canister mode to upright mode becomes difficult. The Dyson Ball Animal 3 takes the lead in this round with its excellent pet hair cleaning functions and versatile and effective design. Round 3, Ease of use. The Dyson Ball Animal 3 has mainly a plastic body, but that does not make it lightweight. It weighs 17.44 pounds and is quite difficult to maneuver. The Dyson Ball Animal 3 comes with a dirt compartment, cyclone, wand, post-motor HEPA filter, pre-motor filter, motor bar vacuum head, combination soft bristle brush or crevice tool, stair or upholstery tool, tool storage clip, and pet grooming tool. In contrast, the Kirby Avalir 2 is quite heavy, weighing 23.3 pounds, and can be cumbersome to use, especially when moving it between floors. It's an upright vacuum, but with the right attachments, it can convert to a canister vacuum, carpet and furniture shampooer, hard floor polishing machine, blower, paint sprayer, handheld vacuum for mattresses and furniture, mop, tile, and grout cleaner, and probably more. As a carpet shampooer, it uses a dry foam technique, allowing carpets to dry faster. However, it's not as plug and play as most vacuums these days. It's a process of learning how to change the head, convert to the shampooer, or convert it to canister mode. It just has a learning curve. Since both vacuums are corded, battery life is not a concern. There's a tie in this round as both vacuums offer user-friendly design and easier handling. Round 4, Ease of maintenance. Maintaining the Dyson Ball Animal 3 is straightforward. Being bagless, you simply empty the dustbin and clean the filters regularly. The removable brush roll also makes it easy to keep the vacuum in top condition. The Kirby Avalir 2 requires more effort to maintain. It uses disposable bags, which need regular replacement. Plus, as mentioned earlier, learning how to use and convert the attachments of Kirby Avalir 2 and how to place them back in place takes time. For example, you can convert it to a furniture and carpet shampooer, but you'll have to store it back in place as an upright vacuum. The good news is that the size of the attachments, 1.5 inch, is one of the most common, so you can find all kinds of third-party attachments to take advantage of its powerful airflow. Both the vacuums are corded, and you will have to wind up the cords manually before storing them. For ease of maintenance, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 is the winner with its simpler and more convenient design. Round 5, Customer Support and Warranty. Dyson offers a solid 5-year warranty on the Dyson Ball Animal 3, providing peace of mind with their responsive customer support. They address complaints promptly, ensuring customer satisfaction. Kirby provides a 3-year warranty for the Avalir too. However, there have been numerous complaints about their customer service and aggressive sales tactics, which can be off-putting for many potential buyers. According to the reviews, sellers have been trying to forcefully pitch the pricey vacuum to customers. They are performing demos, taking as much as 90 minutes of a family, and pressurizing when the family refuses to buy the costly device. The reviews say nothing against the performance of the vacuum, but it's just that they cannot afford it, or they do not need something that heavy-duty, which is completely fine on their part. In terms of customer support and warranty, Dyson clearly outshines Kirby. Final winner. After comparing both vacuums across various categories, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 emerges as the overall winner. It offers excellent cleaning efficiency on multiple surfaces, pet hair and allergens, ease of use, simpler maintenance, and superior customer support. While the Kirby Avalir 2 has strong suction power and versatility, its high cost, heavy design, and poor customer service make it less appealing. So, if you're looking for a cost-effective, user-friendly, and powerful vacuum, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 is the way to go. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews. Happy cleaning!